let's film a movie. It was a normal November evening when everybody was outside because it turned out to be Charlip's birthday. Zoke fell. And there was a tornado! The tornado was coming after everyone. And Taylor ran away. Save him! Get him! And they went to save Zoe. And here comes the next tornado.
Oh no! The tornado got my friend!
Go over here.
I lost a shoe. You guys wondering where my dirt hut is? Till help me. Till help. Help. Where's your shoe?
We ran to the dirt hut!
Josh is the new tornado.
Guys, we have to go back to the house.
Guys, help me. I'm a survivor. And
Run!
I need a... Guys, I'm about to die because I'm bleeding. Guys, I'm about to die. Yes.
This is cringy.
I'm alive.
Revived him.
We're gonna make this a movie somehow. Max's dogs.
Stop getting feet picked. Oh my gosh.
Come on, give me my stick.
Man, I want to see what happens to this. Imagery, Colin.